In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to learn effectively by turning it into your personal AI teacher. Whether you're a student or just someone curious to learn new things, this method can simplify your understanding and enhance your learning experience. First, let's get started by opening ChatGPT. You'll want to navigate to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quick and easy. Once logged in, start a new chat to ensure you're beginning with a fresh session. This will help you interact smoothly with the AI without any leftover context from previous interactions that might confuse things. Now that you're set up and ready to interact with ChatGPT, the next step is creating your AI teacher persona. This is where the magic happens. Consider asking the AI to act as a friendly AI teacher for you. You might say something like, "Act as a friendly AI teacher who explains topics simply and clearly. Teach me like I'm a student learning for the first time." It's important to specify that you'd like step-by-step explanations with real-life examples. This setup will ensure the AI tailors its explanations in a manner that feels like a personalized tutoring session, which can be particularly helpful for complicated subjects. Having set the stage for a productive learning session, we can now dive into the subject matter itself. Suppose you're keen on learning Newton's first law of motion. Pose your question with a prompt like, "Explain Newton's first law of motion in simple terms with an everyday example that a high school student can understand." What you want here is a clear and concise explanation that leverages an analogy or example from daily life. This will help you grasp the concept better by connecting new information with familiar knowledge. Once you've got a decent understanding, it's time to test your knowledge. It's a good idea to ask the AI teacher to generate some practice questions. You could request, create 5 beginner-level quiz questions about Newton's first law of motion, with multiple choice answers and the correct answer at the end. Practicing with these questions can solidify your understanding and help identify any areas where you might need further clarification. Finally, end your session with a request for a short summary of the topic. You might say, "Give me a short summary of Newton's first law of motion in 3-4 sentences, as if I need to review before an exam." This recap serves as a quick reference that consolidates what you've learned, offering a handy resource for future review. By following these steps, you can transform ChatGPT into a versatile learning companion that suits your educational needs, making your study sessions both effective and engaging. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each session, you'll find yourself becoming more adept at engaging with and understanding complex subjects.